These are truly mythical creatures, completely unrealistic, except for the fact that they're real. They are unlike any others, and they tell us something about the personality of God. He has taken something that should be goofy. Look at those powerful tree trunk legs, the hose nose, those flappy ears and wrinkled, sagging britches. And he's made it majestic. These beasts make wrinkles look wise. They are noble and magnificent creatures, even with hose noses. And their goofy little calves are wrinkly old souls too, despite all having clown personalities.